Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your American Express account on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your American Express account on your PC, first open up your Chrome browser or any browser with which you're comfortable. And after opening up your browser, you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. Click over there and type in americanexpress.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to this page, which is the home page of American Express. Now to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Tap on the login button, and over here you can see before you enter your user ID or your password, you can see your account type over here where it says cards and banking. Click on there and you can choose your account type from over here. Either it's the membership rewards, merchant account, American Express at the right work, or cards and banking. And after that being said, guys, enter your user ID over here, which will be given to you by the American Express bank account itself. And after entering your user ID, enter your password over here, whichever may it be. And if you want your computer to remember your account, click on the remember me button, or if not, just let it go and click on login, and then you'll be logged into your American Express account on your computer. But if you forgot your password or your user ID, you can click on the forgot user ID or the password button over here to go through the procedure of retrieving your account. And guys, this is how to log into your American Express account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.